Welcome to the Man Juice Club. My name is Jay Rainbow. I'm a trans artist and YouTuber, and today I'm going to be showing how I shoot up my hormones every week. Yes. I am about 4 months on low-dose testosterone. I take it every Monday, and it's been going well so far. I will be posting updates on that if you were curious about low-dose testosterone and the changes that happen with your body. It's not as commonly talked about, so I want to make more videos about it. Okay, so material-wise, you're going to need a couple of needles, one to stick in you and one to get the testosterone out of the bottle. Here's the bottle. Disinfectant wipe, because you're going to want to put that on first before you do anything. And then a band-aid for afterwards. These are basically all the materials. And I got all of these from my pharmacy. But you will want something to put your sharps in, your needles, after you're done using them. I just put mine in this, bottle of ginger ale. And it works, just keep them in there because you don't want to be just throwing them in the trash. It's a new bottle because I just got a bunch of, oh my gosh, the top just flew off so dramatically.
This is the 18 gauge needle. You want to make sure you're sticking the bigger needle into the bottle and the smallest needle into your leg. How big that is.
That is so, yeah, that is massive.
I usually like to push all the air out first because it's really hard to make sure it's the right amount. Oh, so yeah, I usually just pull it all down till it gets to the point that I need it at. And then you flick it a couple times, make the air bubbles go back up. And then you push all the rest of it out back to the point that you need it. So we're at 0.3. I like to push it down because there's going to be some in the needle and you don't want to lose it all because it's hard stuff to get. And it's valuable.
It's valuable.
Then you put on the smaller needle. And then you can take it off to make sure you see the top come out, and then you just push up the air bubble because you don't want any air pushing into the system. But you can slowly see it go up there, and then you just see a little bit of a drop come out the top, and that's how you know it's done.
T injections actually go in like your thigh area, somewhere around here. Get your disinfectant, wipe that area. Band-Aid squad. And then, just breathe. Just take a nice deep breath.
And you just have to let it go and it should come straight out. And that's where the band-aid should go. You shouldn't really be able to see the hole if you're doing good at it and you got all the liquid.
Where is it?
I looked away for 1 second and lost it.
Sometimes it bleeds, sometimes a little bit will pour out, just,
But if you did it deep enough, it shouldn't.
Yeah. And then, yeah, we've stopped.
Been man-juiced.
You've now been man-juiced. Welcome to the Man Juice Club. That's basically what we do every week. So, yeah, if you guys want more trans and queer videos,
Bang my line.
Bang my line.
I'm Tati. She, her. Are they, them? Whatever. I guess. She, they. That's what. Yeah.